This question is given in GATE 2012. They are saying that cache is containing 256 KB cache size and K-way set associative is used and the block size is 32 bytes and physical address size is 32 bits. Then each cache tag directory entry contains, in addition to address tag, the cache tag which you normally know, along with that address tag means the tag bits which we take from the physical address. Along with that, they contain two valid bits, which means extra 2 bits, and then one modified bit, which means extra 1 bit, and one replacement bit, which means along with the tag, they are saying that the tag that tag directory contains for the tag entry 2 plus 1 plus 1, which means 4 extra bits. Then they are asking the same question, so it is nothing different from the other questions. Physical address is 32 bits, right? So in case of set associative mapping, how is it divided? So it is word size or block offset, and then set number, and then the tag, right? So this 32 bits is going to be divided like this. Okay, and how much is the block size? Block size is given as 32 bits, which means word size is going to be 5. And what about the set number? Set number depends on the number of sets in the cache. So in order to find out the number of sets, first find out the number of lines. Number of lines in the cache equal to cache size divided by block size. So cache size is 2 power 18 bytes, isn't it? 256 KB means 2 power 18 bytes divided by block size is 2 power 5 bytes, right? Then what is it? 2 power 13 lines. And they are saying that it is 4-way set associative. So since it is 4-way set associative, number of sets equal to lines divided by set size, right? So how many lines are there? 2 power 13 lines are there, divided by what is the set size? It is 4-way set associative, which means 2 power 2. So what is it? 2 power 11 is the number of sets. So since the number of sets is 2 power 11, this one is going to be 11, right? And therefore this one is going to be 16 bits. Why? It is totally containing 32. So number of tag bits is 16. So what is the question? The number of bits in the tag bit field is 16. And then next question is the size of tag directory. So tag directory, they are asking about the size of tag directory. So already 16 is present for every entry, 16 bits for tag address. In addition to that, 2 bits for valid, 1 bit for modified, and 1 bit for replacement. Therefore it is going to contain 20 bits for for each entry, for every entry in the tag directory. Now how many tag entries will be there in the tag directory? That depends on the number of lines. Number of lines is going to be this one, and then for every line it is going to be this one. Therefore tag directory size equal to number of bits per entry. It is exactly like page size. If you remember the page table size, that is equal to number of entries into size of each entry, isn't it? Here also tag directory size is equal to number of bits per entry, which is 20, into what is the number of lines, right? So the number of lines is 2 power 13. So how much is this? You can write 2 power 3 as 8. So 20 into 8 into 2 power 10, that equal to 160 kilobits. This is the answer. Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.